Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is School Garden. Okay, let us start. In our school, we have a large garden near the office building. All the students have participated to do this garden. It was an initiative taken by our headmaster last year. He took 5 leaders from 5 classes and lots of volunteers who wanted to work in the garden. They gave the entire process to do in our hands. In the first week, we prepared the space for making a garden. First of all, we put the water there. The school gave us the money to buy plants. We 3 students went to the nearest nursery to take knowledge about plants. We decided to plant flowers trees only. We took the opinion of everyone and finalized to buy rose, dahlia, sunflower, marigold and rose mallows to plant in our school garden. But unfortunately, we didn't get the dahlia in any nearest nursery. We bought around 60 flower plants and brought them to the school compound. The next day was a school off day. We 10 students went to the school and planted the plants. It was not an easy task. Our agricultural teacher was with us as a full-time guide. Now we have a very beautiful and large garden in the school. It has been possible due to all of our teamwork. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.